click up there, it brings up this menu, and if I click here, this will center the cursor, so I can have a centered text for the title. I can also change the size. I want to make the title a 16, a little bit bigger than the text, and we will change the font to Algerian. What a flash drive is, which is a information storage unit. You can see that there. And where it says new, we go over to where it says folder. There you can see that if I go to slide, you get to choose this little arrow where it says new slide. You can choose the format you like. Summer Odyssey is what we'll name this text. Expand this window, E at the top, and I'm going to drag to where this is all highlighted. And I go to where it says home. Let's create a fictitious pen name. Do left click at the end of the first paragraph and click enter. What a surprise, she said. Pretend that we didn't do that, and we're going to save it as, there's a Summer Odyssey. The only thing is, let me do this all in cap lock. And we look for our USB drive on the side, and we just pop it in there. When we see the light flash, we know that it's working. Let's learn how to open up create a new folder. I can actually go on this arrow down and choose the type of bullets I want. Let's make it like a checklist. And it's a Word document. Let's save it to we could save it to lab shared, the USB flash drive. Or we could open it up here. If this does pop up, we can just open the file there, and there it is. Now to move a document, we have this doc4, it's called. We can right click on it. We can cut it because we want to move it somewhere else. And let's go to documents, and I'm going to expand the documents. I want to right click over here to the side and paste. To delete this slide, so I just click on it. I can right click on the slide and delete. If I want, I could even right click on this slide and duplicate it if I wanted to. We can right click on this and click eject, and that will eject that and make it safe to remove. FCAT slide, FCAT, MCAT, LSAT, GMAT. It's so confusing. I'm going to call this our work. Dual directional arrow. Make the image smaller. New slide. And let me go ahead and put this one. With the image like this, I can move it around and make it part of my story. I could put it to the left side if I want. And we look for this icon that has a little picture of a microphone. So if I want to change it, I can always go back to home, go to where it says layout and a little arrow down menu, and I can choose a different kind of a slide. There's a blank slide, and right click, and I paste with the left click on this file just once and drag it into this our work file. Now if I open it up, double click on our work, there's the file. So I do the dual directional arrow on the corner, left click and hold, and I drag it, and then move the picture to where I want. I have a folder I already set up, Summer Odyssey. We click on that and we click save. close the document now. Go back into Documents, Summer Odyssey, and there's our file. Resume recording. Testing. 1, 2, 3. If I go to Google Images, and I had Adventure before, this time I'm going to click on Travel. Let's click on this image. Left click and then right click. Copy. And let's put this right down here. There we go. Let's go ahead and take that one. We click on it and then we right click on the larger image, copy, and we go back to our Word document, Summer Odyssey, and paste. There it is. See what our slideshow is going to look like. So at the top here where it says slideshow, look for the little logo with the check mark and the picture of a USB drive. Click on that, and where it says eject cruiser, and there's our file, testing 1, 2, 3. So double click on it. And we'll click on it, and now it says safe to remove hardware. We can go ahead, we've already ejected it to make sure it's safe to remove. Now we can just go ahead and pull it out, close it up, and use it another time. I'd like to save this. So we go up here to where it says File, Save As, and it pops up My Summer Odyssey. And we'd like to save this in our documents. That's where it is. We're going to start from the beginning. So I click on that, and there's our slideshow. My Summer Odyssey. We traveled by train, by jet, by train, by car.